Hindi ya igongona ria gutugwo gwa kambuni ya guthia mutu ya Joy Millers mwena wa Kutus kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, kambuni ino ikiheo ngerenwa ya Superbrand ni gukorwo igithia mutu wa gikiro kia iguru. Kuringana na urugamiriri wa kambuni ino utongoretio ni muikariri giti Julius Icoba, ni matugaretie gutugwo na ngerenwa ino, makiuga ni kumana na gikiro kia mutu uria makoretwo magithia na mutu wao gukorwo kiendekana nginya nja wa bururi. Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri wa kambuni ino Maureen Muthoni augite kuri na ucindani munene wa kambuni cia guthia mutu, no kambuni ya Joy Millers itigireire mutu uria marendia ni wa gikiro kia iguru na nikio mahetwo ngerenwa ino.
High quality manufacturing drives competitiveness, opens up markets and attracts investment, ultimately fueling economic progress. It is also noteworthy to note that Joy Millers, due to their strict adherence to quality, has enabled them to attain the diamond mark of quality. This is actually a mark of excellence that is granted by the Kenya Bureau of Standards. And Joy Millers has 2 diamond marks of quality. That is one for wheat flour and maize flour, and that is their premium brand, Kavagara.
Kambuni ya Superbrand yugite ngerenwa ino iheanagwo kuri kambuni iria iheanaga motungata mega kuri muingi.
We do research, we do a consumer survey. Consumer survey is undertaken by a research firm based here in Kenya, but it is also global. We have just over 1,000 consumers in 3 cities, Mombasa, Nairobi, Kisumu. These consumers are asked to vote on our 3 parameters of quality, reliability and distinction. This is converted into Kiswahili for them, and on a scale of 1 to 10 they score all the brands.
Ruhonge rwa KEBS kugerera murugamiriri wao gitaru-ini kia Mount Kenya Jacqueline Kang'iri ni ruhinyiriirie kambuni iria ingi gukorwo igithia mutu wa gikiro kia iguru na ukuguna mwingi na mabataro mao ma ugima mwega wa mwiri.
Joy Millers' strict adherence to conformity and quality standards is not just commendable but exemplary, setting a benchmark for others in the industry. This commitment ensures that consumers receive products that are safe, reliable, and of the highest quality, reinforcing the trust placed on their brand.
Kambuni ya Joy Millers ikoretwo igithia mutu na kuheana motungata kuri muingi kuringana na mabataro mao ma kimucii hari maundu matiganite, na oho gukorwo igithia irio cia mahiu. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.